Now we will solve part B of question number 1. Points are A and B again, and their coordinates are 2, -6, 3 and -6. So distance midpoint formula for A and B. Midpoint of AB is equals to R x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula, and we will put the values of x1, x2, y1 and y2 in this formula. This is x1, y1, x2 and y2. We will put the values. This is x1, y1, x2 and y2. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2. y1 is -6 and y2 is again -6 divided by 2. So R will be, midpoint of AB will be 2, 3, 5 by 2 and -12 by 2. These two values will be added, and midpoint R will be 5 divided by 2. It is equals to 2.5. 12 by 2, it is -6. 2 6 are 12. So these are the midpoints of AB. These 2 points are given, and are or 2.5 and -6 are the midpoints of these 2 points. Now we will solve part number D. Again write the midpoint formula, which is x1, x2. In each question we will write the formula. It is very compulsory. It having marks in the board exam. So we will write here the formula, and you know very well it is x1, y1, x2 and y2. Naming them for understanding the question easy. x1 is -4 plus x2 is 3 divided by 2. y1 is 9 plus y2 is -6. So minus plus, here will be -6 divided by 2. And R means midpoint of AB will be -4 plus 3 -1 by 2. 9 minus 6, 3 by 2. So finally the midpoint of AB will be -0.5 and 1.5. 1 divided by 2, half, it is half. 0.5, and this is 3 by 2 means 1 and half, 1.5. Now homework will be part A, B and D solved we solved these parts in classwork, and now remaining parts are C, E and F. They are your homework. Question number 1 of exercise 9.3. This is your homework. Do homework neat and draw margin line and index also.